Okay, one of the subscribers have requested for HCL Tech. In this video, see this is the fall of Corona, and then one, two, three, four, and five. Five wave move up. These wave counts are correct. One, two, three, four, and five. So somebody wants to take down these wave counts. One can do so. These wave counts are correct. And then we had this correction, A, B, and C correction. This was the fourth wave correction, and then again we had this five wave move up. This wave count is correct. Okay. And then we had this A, B, and C correction. Now, what wave theory says that ABC correction should at least come within the territory of the fourth wave. This is the territory of fourth wave. Okay. So once this correction ABC, I mean, it did not come into this territory, and in SCL, what I was expecting that once the ABC corrections are over, then this will be a five wave move. This will go all the way up. But this formed this ABC corrections and it formed wave X. So whenever more corrections are needed, generally after some major correction you have wave X and then again you have a five wave decline. A thing which is happening in Nifty also, Nifty 50 also. Same thing. Now this is a five wave down move, one, two, three, four, and five. You can also see here that wave 2 and 4, if you join the parallel lines, then wave 3 and 5 are connected. So this is within the channel one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This was a fourth wave ABC correction, A, B, and C correction. And the fifth wave is over. The last leg was one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Five wave down. Now we should have a wave move up. Now, what we should be careful about. Once we have ABC correction, that has formed a wave W, a small wave X, and Y. Now, if this move is something like this, I don't think so. It should be like this. It will like A, B, and C. If this move is like this, then what we should expect is five wave more decline. One, two, three, four, and five. This will form the wave Z. W, X, Y. This will become X, and this will become Z. This is in the case we have ABC kind of a move. Same move will be repeated like this move ABC. If this move we are able to witness here, then expect a five wave more decline. That will form wave Z. Though I don't think so. This much correction is enough for HCL, but you never know, you know, because Nifty will fall, Reliance will fall. There are many stocks which will fall, major stocks in the coming week. So we still have the bearish trend. So at least this much one can trade A, B, and C corrections. But be careful if this ABC correction happens within parallel lines, expect a wave Z, a five wave more decline. Five wave decline is over. This five wave decline is over. We had this waves X and then one, two, three, A, B, C, fourth wave, and then fifth wave. So this five wave decline is over, and now we should have a move like this. It will be either A, B, C move, or you'll have a five wave move up. One, two, three, four, five. Something like this. Either of the two moves. One can trade this small correction also. There is no issues because generally wave A is equal to wave C. Right now we are going to have a five wave move up. Even if it is wave A, it will be a five wave move up. So one can trade that. So this move will be like this: one, two, three, four, and five. So one can trade this wave. There is no harm in it. And then there will be a correction also. This will be A, B, and C. And again we'll have the best thing to analyze whether this will be a five wave move eventually or there'll be a wave Z is to form a channel like this. And if this five wave move, after this five wave move, because this will be the first wave, so this will be a small wave, okay? And then we'll have corrections. Once this correction and this wave starts, if this breaches the channel, goes up, then we'll have a regular five wave move. This will become wave 3, and we'll have wave 4 and wave 5. But if this does not breach the channel, then we'll have wave Z, five wave more decline. Okay, so watch out. Right now we are going to have a five wave move up because this was a five wave move: one, two, three, four, and 5 within the channel. Okay, now this is a gap. One would say this is, I would say this is a third wave gap because we are right now watching the daily chart. If you see the hourly chart, you will find a gap happening in third wave. I'll just show you. Now look at this: one, two, one, two, and 3. This is the third of the third. 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth wave. The fifth wave is already finished, and now we are in a new cycle. There will be a five wave move up. Okay. Whenever this gap occurs, this always occurs within the third of the third wave. So whenever you see a gap, be confident that this is the third wave. Okay. And generally, it is 99%. It is third of the third. One, two, one, two, and 3. The third of the third wave. Whenever you see a gap, either up or down, whichever. So all the best. Take care. Thank you. This is the first wave starting. But on an hourly chart, this is looking like a triangle wave to me. One, two, three, one, two, three, kind of. Maybe this forms a leading diagonal pattern. A, B. First wave can be a leading diagonal pattern. On an hourly chart, this is looking like a leading diagonal pattern to me. Like this. Uh, one, two, we'll have three, four, and 5. So a leading diagonal would be like this because this is a triangle. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, something like this. A triangle wave is developing. So wave 1 can be a leading diagonal. Okay. Or you can mark the triangle wave like this: A, B, C, D, and E. This will be a triangle wave. Then you will have A, B, C correction, down correction, A, B, and C, and then the next wave up. So that wave will be the crucial wave, whether it will go breach the channel or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this wave you have to look out for. whether this wave will bridge the channel and go on top, or it will be a small wave, then we'll expect wave Z down movement. Okay, so this is developing into a triangle wave. One should avoid trading triangle waves. I mean, personally, one should avoid. I mean, I would avoid trading this. So, okay, one, two, three, four, and five. One, two. Yeah. Now take the daily chart. Let us see what happens within a week. We are going to have a five wave, triangle wave up on an hourly chart, and then ABC correction. Let us see what happens. One has to be very careful of this wave. If this breaches, then a trend is up. But if this doesn't breach, then you expect a trend down. One more wave, Y, and this will be a Z wave. Okay, so this is the crucial point. Thank you. Take care. This video has become very long. Anyway, thanks.